Hi everyone, it's Sierra. For today's video, I will be bringing you all along with me on my morning walk on a nice chilly day. Let's enjoy this beautiful season of autumn together today in the woodland. Go down this way. Thank goodness I got my boots. There's still a bit of storm damage. We've had so many storms this year. I'm gonna walk down this way on the road. Some more dried goldenrod up here. I have a question for you all. Do you know what this is? Some of you might know what this is. This is a hagstone. These are more common in the UK. They're not very common here in the United States. And I've been looking for one for quite a while. And I finally got it. Isn't it beautiful? I feel so lucky that I got this. Not even at metaphysical shops or rock shops or crystal shops or anything. They don't sell these around here. So the fact that I was able to get one, and look how beautiful it is. It's also perfect to also have a necklace out of this. But I feel so lucky I finally have one, and that it's from my local area. These are also called fairy stones as well as witch stones. There's a lot of interesting folklore around these. Can you tell how big this hat is on me? And I even have it folded. What I've also been on the lookout for is nettle. However, supposedly we have nettle around here, but I've been to different forests, different woodlands, different lakes, and I haven't been able to locate it. Or maybe, I don't know. Oh gosh. I don't know why they have not cut this area. I have an older video, I think it's called like the Snowy Woods or something, because this used to be a field, but for the past 2 years they have not been cutting it, so it's just overgrown. And that's good for nature, of course, but I kind of miss walking around this way because it goes further back. I'm not sure how it looks like on camera, but it goes further back, and I remember walking around. My kid was smaller and there was a bit of snow, and now it's just all weeds and trees. I've been on the lookout for mushrooms as well. There's been so many cool different types of mushrooms and fungi this year, but I don't really see any. I'm definitely keeping an eye out, that's for sure. It slopes down a little bit more over here, so I'm surprised that there's no rainwater over there. Well, I am finally back home and I am just going to get ready for the day. Oh, it was just nice to spend the morning in the woodland and just have a bit of me time, do a little bit of filming. I hope that the footage that I got was good because, you know, I had the camera flipped around and half the time I had the sun in my face. So I do know there is going to be some footage that I'm just going to have to delete because it's just, you know, not going to be super good. But hope you all enjoyed that little adventure. Before I head inside, I just wanted to check on the kittens. And I think they're still asleep. They're probably not going to be up until like 2, 3, 4, maybe even 5 p.m. Usually they wake up when my kid comes because they just really like hanging out with him. And I guess my kid is like the most fascinating person to them. The fence on this side looks like it's a little bit more open. Their mom probably pried it open a bit more for them to get through. I did have some people asking me if they can get through down here. And yes, they can, which is nice. I'm not sure how it looks on camera, but there's definitely enough room for their mom and for them to get out. Hey, you two. Oh. I was hoping that her kittens would let her get more of the soup since she just nursed them. And she kind of needs it more than them. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna give them some space. I'm gonna head inside. It makes me happy to see them like this. They're definitely getting a little bit more comfortable with me. Come get your soupy soup. You ready for your soupy soup? They already wolfed down this one. Let me back up because she looks a little uncomfortable. Like you're too close, human. There you go. Oh, hey, hey, hey. Hey. Oh, she got soup on her too. Oh, and then the little one. I'm gonna have to pull them back because they're not gonna want to share with her. But she is a bit more shy. Okay, let me grab this from them. And I'm gonna give the rest to their little sister. Oh no, don't run, I'm trying to help you. Oh. If I put this down, they're gonna get to it. Let me try to give it to her without her sisters coming. I'm trying to guard the soup, but I'm making her nervous. Oh, I see you. Oh no. Let your little sister have some, won't you? Oh. Nope. I'm trying to help their little sister. She's not. Yeah, these two are probably just gonna finish it. Oh. Yes. Just having it. Oh, I didn't mean to freak you out. I'm just trying to keep guard. I'm trying to help you make sure your sisters don't take your food. Hi. Hello. Can I boop your nose? I think that was a no. Oh, it's freezing out here. I have this nice blanket, little wooden box thing, and I'm gonna try to make something warm for them. Good morning, everyone. It's 8 a.m. I'm just checking on the kittens. Good morning. I'm surprised that they're up so early. Usually they're sleeping around this time. But anyways, last night we put up this little thing, this little house, the blanket in it, so that hopefully they would be warm. This little one's up. Oh, there's their mom. Here she is. There's Honey. That's why they're awake, because their mom's here. And I've been wondering why she hunts so much, but she still nurses them, so that makes a lot of sense. Oh, and here she comes. Let me back up a little bit, because I'm probably a little too close to her daughter. So cute. Hey, honey. Yeah, her nose is moving because she's like, you got food? Why are you here? I'm gonna go inside and bring them one of their little cat soups. Oh, there's the little calico. I imagine it's a bit warm in the fence, but I don't know how warm it is. They're so adorable. Okay, I'm gonna quickly head inside and get 2 cat soups so that they can eat. Oh, they're so cute. Crawling around the garden, messing with things. I hope she can eat the most that she can, because look. But I put 2 out there. The little blue one is from yesterday. And there comes the other babies. Oh, she's doing such a good job learning how to climb. That's all for today's video. I appreciate you all watching, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Bye everyone.